making sure that we were using the stack meter for Wagner. Investing in that means that we can shorten the amount of time in which we are turning over kilns, and with a better accuracy. We want to be able to go through and test as much of that wood as is coming out of the kiln before it hits our planer, and feel confident that what we're pulling out is dry. There may be some stuff that we'll find a little bit later, but the likelihood is significantly less, and it's a lot faster if we can go through a section of a unit and check everything and make sure that we're right where we need to be without having to destack or pull stickers or do anything like that until we get to the later part. Gives us more confidence. I can have, spending hours of checking the things. We can usually unload the kiln pretty quickly, checking every slab and or row of dimensional number.